What's up, you guys? This is your girl, The Real Malia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of SK2's sheet masks. I'm going to be going over product claims, price point, pros and cons of the product. And so without further ado, let's get into it. SK2's facial treatment masks. I have been wanting to try this for so long, you guys. I've heard about it. I've seen everything in the magazines and celebrities using this mask. And so I've been really wanting to try it. So I'm excited about reviewing this. I bought this product 2 weeks ago and I started using it. I've been using it for once a week for the past 2 weeks. I'll pull one out for you guys to look at. It comes in a little pouch, just like this. And what the pouch is soaked in is called a thing called essence. So that's like all the ingredients and all the nutrients that are in that are going to be soaking into your skin when you put the mask on. So they call that essence. And I have to say, in every single packet, there's like a lot of the essence in here. Actually, after I put the mask on and I left it on my face, like I found there's like a half a pouch of essence left over. So you get quite a bit of product in here. And one thing I did after I used it, after I put the mask on my face, there's so much essence that I didn't want to waste it. So I take this and I fold it over and put a little clip on it and leave it over for the day after. And the day after, I kind of put it on my skin when I wake up, on my neck and on my face and my décolleté and everywhere, and even on your hands. So yeah, I make sure to do that. So the instructions say to leave on for 5 to 15 minutes and discard mask after use. For me, you guys, I found that leaving it on a little longer was better. I put the mask on and after 5 to 15 minutes, I felt it was still soaked. So to me, I'm kind of like I'm used to leaving on a sheet mask for like 30 minutes. So I left it on longer and I don't know that it made a difference, but it just was a relaxing experience. And the price point on this, I will say it's a little pricey. This is, I ordered off their website and it comes in 10 masks for $135, a little bit more expensive, but I have to say that like I just feel like with masks that you get what you pay for. Like the results I experienced, I felt were from all these good ingredients in this. I saw a difference in my skin. So to me, when I use a product that I see such a difference, I don't mind paying because I feel like you get what you pay for. The claims that they say on the box is that it increases radiance and moisture in the skin. And I do have to say it did do that, you guys. It really did. It is not a hyped up product. This is like, it really worked. I felt my skin, like actually, I have to say like, after I used it and I woke up in the morning, I just kept wanting to touch my face. Like it just felt, like the texture even just felt smoother and just felt really good. It felt luxurious. And the experience of using this mask was amazing too. Like it just felt cooling on the face. It smelled really good. Like it was just a really good experience. So overall, I would recommend this. It is definitely worth it. It's not hype. It's just, this is a real deal, you guys. I gotta tell you. So I'm glad I tried it. All right, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and found it useful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, peace.